Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will show you how to sign up and log in Trip.com on your iPhone. Let's get started. First download and install Trip.com from the App Store. Next open the Trip.com app. Now sign up for a new account. Tap sign up and you will see a few options. Email, phone number or social accounts like Google or Facebook. Choose the one that is easiest for you. If you choose phone number, enter the phone number and tap send code. You will receive a verification code through SMS. Enter the code in the app to verify your number. If you choose email, enter your email address and create a strong password. Make sure it's something you can remember and then tap sign up. After signing up, you will be asked to fill in your profile information, add your name and country, and optionally enable notifications and location service for the best travel experience. Once your account is set up, log in for the first time. Tap login, enter your email or phone number and password and then tap log. If you used a social account to sign up, just tap the social account option to log in. Now you are ready to explore Trip.com, source for flights, hotels, car rentals and travel deals right from your phone. Finally, enable app updates. Go to the App Store, tap your profile and make sure Trip.com is updated regularly. Updates bring new features and fix bugs. And that's it. Now you know how to sign up and log.com on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.